Now let's start the discussion of exercises related to grammar portion. So the grammatical topics which we are going to discuss are related to gerunds and infinitives. तो पहले तो gerunds और infinitives होते क्या हैं? Gerunds की हमारे पास एक हिंट होती है कि इनके एंड पे ing आता है. Infinitives जो होते हैं they are simply to plus base form of verb, यानी first form of verb के लिए जैसे कि to fly या to eat. एंड देन gerunds में क्या होता है, you'll say कि ing जो जिनके words के end पे आता है वो तो progressive words हो जाते हैं, verb हो जाते हैं वो. No, that's not the case with gerunds. To find out if a word is gerund, simply आप ये करोगे कि is it answering to what? अगर वो question what को answer कर रहा है तो it's a gerund. If that word is acting as a noun, then it's a gerund. And noun ही जो होते हैं वो what question को answer कर रहे होते हैं. So the best example is I like swimming. If I say you like what do you like? आप कहोगे swimming. अब यहाँ पे ing आ रहा है लेकिन साथ में ये कैसे प्रोग्रेसिव वर्ब नहीं हो सकता है क्योंकि इसमें स्विमिंग का एक्शन परफॉर्म नहीं हो रहा है, स्विमिंग करने का काम नहीं हो रहा है. आई लाइक स्विमिंग, काम तो इसमें लाइक करने का हो रहा है. सी यहाँ पे जब हम क्वेश्चन व्हाट को आंसर कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पे नाउन की तरह ये वर्ड परफॉर्म कर रहा है, देन इट्स योर जेरेंट. एक और एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं जिसमें स्मोकिंग isn't good for health. If I say what is not good for health, you'll say smoking. Then this is a gerund. Again, यहाँ पे smoking का action perform नहीं हो रहा है. It's not a verb. यहाँ पे काम नहीं हो रहा है smoke करने का. So this is how you will figure out whether a verb is a gerund or simply a present progressive verb. फिर यहाँ पे बात आ जाती है, what is the difference between gerund, present progressive and present participles? I know we're not going to discuss any exercise related to present participles, but for your knowledge of grammar, you should know the difference between all of these. Gerund में क्या होता है, I've explained कि ing, एक चीज़ तीनों में common है कि इन सब के end पे ing आता है. Gerund में क्या होता है, it will simply answer to what will act as a noun. Present progressive में क्या होता है, ये वर्ब की फॉर्म होगी. अगर आपको ये पता लगाना है कि ये प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव है या नहीं है तो इस सेंटेंस में अगर काम हो रहा होगा, कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म हो रहा होगा, देन योर वर्ड विल बी अ वर्ब. जैसे कि आई एम पेंटिंग, यहाँ पे ये प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव है, वर्ब है, क्योंकि यहाँ पेंटिंग का काम हो रहा है, मैं पेंट कर रही हूँ. अगर यहाँ पे हम लिखें पेंटिंग इज माई हॉबी, what is your hobby? Painting is my hobby. So again, it's answering what? This is your gerund. Present participles क्या होते हैं, ये ing पे ही end होते हैं, but they act as adjectives. Adjectives क्या होते हैं, जो noun को qualify करते हैं, noun की qualities को बताते हैं. अब अगर मैं कहूँ कि यहाँ पे मैं लिखती हूँ I saw a crying girl. अब ये हमारे पास noun है, ये जो है हमारे पास एडजेक्टिव आ रहा है. यहाँ पे रोने का काम नहीं हो रहा है, काम हो रहा है देखने का. सो दिस इज योर वर्ब. यहाँ पे ये जो ing वाला वर्ड है एज एन एडजेक्टिव परफॉर्म कर रहा है क्योंकि ये गर्ल को क्वालिफाई कर रहा है. कौन सी गर्ल को देखा, किस टाइप की गर्ल को देखा, उस गर्ल को जो रो रही थी. सो दिस इज एक्टिंग एज एन एडजेक्टिव. एक और एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं इसकी. स्माइलिंग फेसेस ऑलवेज लुक प्रिटी. अब यहाँ पे भी फेसेस जो है वो नाउन है और ये स्माइलिंग जो है ये ना ही जेरेंट के तौर पे आ रहा है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट आंसरिंग वर्ड, ना ही ये प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव वर्ब के तौर पे आ रहा है बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट एनी एक्शन विच इज बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड हियर. इट्स सिंपली प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. इट्स एक्टिंग एज एन एडजेक्टिव विच इज क्वालिफाइंग द नाउन फेसेस ओवर हियर. So I hope the difference is clear to you. Let's move on to its exercise now. First is complete the sentences with the gerund form of the verbs in parentheses. We have given these verbs. इसको हमने gerund बनाना है. It's very easy. She's good at paint. We just have to add ing in the end. She is good at painting. What is she good at? Painting. Simply what को answer करे, this is gerund. Second is he's crazy about playing. I don't like playing cards. They're afraid of swimming in the sea. Fifth is you should give up smoking. Sixth is Sami dreams of being doctor. Seventh is he's interested in making friends. Eighth is my uncle is afraid of going by plane. Ninth is we insist on cooking the dinner ourselves. So the next exercise is use the verbs in parentheses either as gerund or the infinitive. It's your choice. Infinitive what is a 2 plus base form of verb. So you can use either of them. So first one is I couldn't sleep so I tried drink some hot milk. I tried. We can go for to drink. You can write drinking also. It will be right. Second is she tried reach the book on the high shelf but she was too small. She tried. हम यहाँ पे reaching लिख लेते हैं. To reach भी लिखेंगे वो भी correct होगा. Third is they tried get to the party on the time but the bus was delayed. They tried to get to the party. Fourth is we tried open the window but it was so hot outside it didn't help. We tried to open. यहाँ opening भी लिख सकते हो, it would be correct. Fifth is he tried get a job in a newspaper firm but they wouldn't hire him. He tried getting a job in a newspaper firm but they wouldn't hire him. He tried get a job in a newspaper firm. ये repetition है तो यहाँ पे हम to get लगा देते हैं. Seventh is you should stop smoke. It's not good for your health. You should stop smoking. It's not good for your health. Eighth is we stopped study because we were tired. We stopped studying because we were tired. Ninth is they will stop have lunch at 12. They will stop having. To have be correct hai. Lunch at 12. 10th is we stopped have a rest because we were really sleepy. We stopped having rest because we were really sleepy. And then 11th is oh no, I forgot to buy milk. Oh no, I forgot to buy milk. Then the next is please don't forget pick up some juice on your way home. To pick up. 13th is I forget lock the door but I'm sure I must have locked it. I forget to lock the door. 14th is have we studied this before? I've forgotten to learn it. Learning it bhi ho sakta hai. Please remember bringing your homework. I remember to go to the beach as a child. Finally, I remembered bringing your book. 18th is do you remember eating steak in that little restaurant in Lahore? 19th is I regret to tell you the train has been delayed. I regret telling you the train has been delayed. 20th is I regret tell Nigat my secret. Now she has told everyone. I regret to tell Nigat my secret. Now she has told everyone. So the next exercise is replace the gerund by an infinitive and the infinitive by a gerund in the following sentences. To laugh is better than to frown. अब ये to laugh और to frown हमारे पास infinitives है. We'll write it like laughing is better than frowning, and in this way we have turned them into gerunds. Second is writing a story is not easy. To write a story is not easy. Third is he likes to collect books and does not like giving them away. He likes, यहाँ पे collecting आ जाएगा. Infinitive से gerund किया. And does not like giving them away. Does not like to give them away. Gerund था, इसको हमने infinitive कर दिया. Fourth is flying kites is a good sport, but to bet on them is bad. To fly kites is a good sport, but betting on them is bad. He likes to read and to write. He likes reading and writing. She likes cooking and painting. She likes to cook. अब जब दो infinitives आए तो it's not necessary कि दोनों के साथ हम to लगाएं. You can write it like she likes to cook and paint. लगा भी दे तो it's not wrong. Seventh is seeing is believing. To see is to believe. Eighth is she loves making dolls. She loves to make dolls. To wait for people who were late made him angry. Waiting for people who were late made him angry. 10th is to sell insurance is a pretty boring job. Selling insurance is a pretty boring job. अब यहाँ पे जो boring है हम उसको नहीं change करेंगे because this is acting as an adjective and I told you कि ing form में जब adjective आता है तो ये हमारे पास आ जाता है present participle. So this is the example of present participle. ये noun था, इसको qualify किया है boring ने. Let's move on to next exercise, which is decide whether the following sentences contain a gerund or a progressive. He likes reading books. ये हमारे पास gerund हो जाएगा. He likes what? Reading books. He is reading books. अब यहाँ पे एक तो हमारे पास clue ये आ गया, ये auxiliary आ रही है जो कि help कर रही है, which means helping verb है ये main verb को जो कि reading है. So यहाँ पे action हो रहा है. ये आ जाएगा progressive. Third is reading books can be great fun. What can be great fun? Reading books. Again, gerund answering to what? He's interested in reading books. Again, gerund. He was reading books. This will be progressive. We have was, which is helping verb, helping the main verb, which is reading. Sixth is he has been reading books for 2 hours. Again, progressive. These are helping verbs. This is main verb. Seventh is instead of reading books, Henry went to bed. Instead of what? तो ये हमारे पास gerund आ जाएगा. Do you like reading books? ये भी gerund आ जाएगा. He had been reading books. This is progressive. His hobby is reading books. This is gerund. So we are done with our exercises related to grammar. Thank you. So with this, we have come towards the end of our today's video lecture. I hope जो भी आज हमने पढ़ा वो आपको clarity के साथ समझ आया होगा. Inshallah, we'll be talking about some new topic in our next video. Till then, take care. This is Maha, your English instructor, signing out.